Hello guys, so in this video we are going to see how we can be able to add a WhatsApp chat like this one on our website, whereby when users come over here and they want to chat with us, if they are using a laptop or a computer or a PC, when they hover the mouse on it, a QR code will be able to show for them to scan on their phone, okay, and then they will be able to chat straight with that. Or if you are using their their phone and they visit our website, they can also be able to chat with us straight away from the phone, okay. So they can be able to chat with us without going to contact or whatever it is. Just click on the chat button over here, and then it will send them directly to our inbox, and then they can send us a message on our WhatsApp phone straight away. Okay, so basically that is exactly what we are going to do over here, to add this chat button over here on our website. So if you want to know how you can be able to add this chat functionality on your website, then stick with me and let's go. So if you are new over here, please subscribe to the channel and let's grow together. What we do over here is we provide tips and tricks about web designing, and also design websites using free resources. Now, as you see over here, this website, music website over here, was designed from scratch, all using free resources, no coding, nothing. We did it from scratch. If you want to watch the video, you can watch it from the channel, okay. We have part 1, part 2 and part 3, a full tutorial on it, so you can decide to watch it. But now we are going to add this chat functionality on our website, so let's jump into it. Alright guys, so as you can see over here, we do not have any chat functionality over here, okay. It means that nobody can be able to chat us or communicate with us when they need help, okay, unless they go to the send us a mail from the contact page, but it's going to take a long time. But you want somebody to be able to communicate with you straight away, because you don't want to lose customers. So we're going to add that chat functionality over here. Now let's jump into our WordPress dashboard. Now we are going to install a plugin that will help us to get that chat functionality. So what we do is we hover on plugins over here, and then we click on add new. Now we are going to search for a plugin called join.chat, okay. So this is the exact plugin that we are looking for, this one over here, join.chat. Now the plugin have what over 400,000 active installations and almost nearly 5-star review. It means that the plugin is a good plugin, okay. So what this plugin does is, it just you just need to connect your WhatsApp number to the plugin, and then people can be able to connect to you straight away from your website, okay. So all customers, everybody, users, anybody who wants to talk to you business wise, and you don't want to lose customers, so you need clients who will be able to have access to you directly and then communicate with you, even if something small can let you lose somebody, okay. So, and that is not what we want. So we need people to be able to communicate with us when they need help on our website, and that's exactly what we are going to do. So we click on install now, and then we click on activate. Now we have activated the plugin. Now if you see, there is a notice over here, okay, from join.chat. Now they said that we should go to settings over here, and then we only need to add our WhatsApp number to contact with our users, okay. So you can click over here, or if you don't see this notice, don't worry, just scroll down. Okay, you see join.chat over here. You can also click on it, and then it will take you to the same place. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one, go to settings, and then as you can see, if you are doubting that that two things go to the same, you realize that this one is activated. It means that it is this one, the link direct us to what this place. Okay, so that is it. Now what we are going to do is everything over here, I don't really care about it. What really I care about is what the telephone number over here, and that is exactly what we are going to do, so that we can be able to get that chat functionality over here. Okay, so we want to search for our country code. Okay, so you search for your country wherever you are from. I'm from Ghana, so I'm going to search for Ghana. Okay, +233, and then I'll enter my WhatsApp number over there. So this is my WhatsApp number, and then all these messages, I don't really care about it, because I just want people to chat me. At the moment they see the button over here, they will be able to chat me. Now this is just an image. You can also decide to, if you have your own customized image or icon you want to show on your website, you can select it and then upload it on your website, and then upload it over here. Okay, but I don't need anything. All what I need is the number to be connected, and then I want it to show on right. Okay, so wherever you want to show it, because I have my basket over here, I want the chat to be shown on right. And then how many delay do you want it to delay? 3 seconds is enough. Okay, and then where do you want it to show? Maybe you want it to show on mobile only, so it wouldn't show on the web, or you want it to also show on on the web. So I want it to show on web, and then it will open WhatsApp web for us. And then also I want it to also show QR code. Okay, so that when I hover on on the chat button over here, the QR code would display for users to also to scan. Okay, yeah, so that is it. Now maybe somebody is using the phone, the laptop, okay, and then want to scan the QR code. It will be easy for the person to scan and then chat with you. Now I'm going to leave everything as it is, then I'll come over here. Okay, now the header, I just want it to be Kitech Digital. Okay, so that is it, and then I will just click on save. Okay, so now you can go through all these settings over here, okay, to play around with it, but I'm not gonna go through all these settings. I'm just gonna go through the visibility and talk about what the visibility really does. Now what the visibility really does is, at the moment we are showing it globally. It means that it will show everywhere on the website. Okay, but if you want it wherever you want it to show, you can display it over there. So maybe you want it to show on the front page, the 404 page, the results, search results page, the archives page. Everywhere you want to show it, you can display it over there. The if it is about the WooCommerce, the thank you page, everything. Okay, it is it will, wherever you want to show, you just select it and then it will show over there. Now at the moment we just want to show it globally, and that is it. So we click on save, and we are done. We are good to go. So when we go to the front page of our website, okay, and then as of now we don't have it. Okay, now let's refresh the website. Let's refresh it and see if it shows. Yes, so it appears over here. Okay, so that is it. Now let's hover our mouse on it, and the QR code pops up. Now somebody or any user can scan it and then chat with you directly from your website. Now if the person is also using a phone, the person can see it on the phone directly. Okay, and the person can be able to chat with you. So basically that is how you can be able to add a chat function, a WhatsApp chat function on your website, for people to be able to chat with you freely we added it really without paying anything, and that is it. So thank you for watching this video, and please, like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.